We'll begin by clicking on catchment 1. We'll then go over here to the flow, which we will then edit. Go to options and change the type. We're going to select PyWR data frame. Here we will add one more column to make 2 columns and another row. Then we will go over to our data, select the date column, copy it over, and then we will select scenario 1's data and copy that over. And then go ahead and save. Okay, as for our water abstraction, we will go over to the data area and we're going to put a low allocation penalty in order to make this a high priority allocation location. We will also, as this, we're going to make this our baseline model, and we're actually going to have no abstraction for our first scenario, or baseline scenario. We're going to have no abstraction. We'll put a value of 0 in the scalar. I think I could have done that from there as well. Save that. In order to set up the simulation period and time step, we will go over to network data. We will then start with all these values need to be descriptors. This is currently a scalar, so we're going to have to change that. So we'll start with the start, and we will go to a text format, and then we will take the beginning, bring that in. It has to be in 4 Ys, 2 Ms, 2 Ds format. We'll then save it. Time step at end. We will again move to text. I'll go to the end. Save that. And for our time step, we're going to go to options. We're going to change to a descriptor in the change type area, and we are going to proceed. Then once again, go to text format. Here, you can use D for daily, W for weekly, M for monthly, Y for yearly. In this situation, we will use D and save. Now we will run our baseline scenario with 0 abstraction. We can see in a plot view, go to the edit button. So we're going to go to the abstraction that we set for 0 for this baseline scenario. You can go to simulated flow in the outputs area, go over to plot. As expected, it should be 0 the whole way. Okay, so we will now clone the scenario. The scenario will be with abstraction. Clone. Okay, for this scenario, for the abstraction node, we will go over to the data and we will change the max flow to 5 meters cubed per second. We'll save. Now we will run with our new scenario. Now going to our abstraction node, we can look at the simulated flow plot and see that it is not 0 anymore. And if you'd like, you can also bring in baseline. And we can compare.